This is the Cove Mountain Shelter in Virginia, and it's a nice shelter. It has a beautiful sunrise in the morning when the sun comes up. Kind of liked it. Disadvantage is no water here. You got to carry it up. Come up here to the Privy. The gut hook comments on this are all very good, and I think I know why. This looks like a factory fresh Privy. It's still green. Let's take a look at this thing. Oh yeah. Shoot, I should have set up in here and slept here last night. This is nice. Super nice. I think this gets an A for sure. Would have given it an A+ if it had toilet paper. Other than that, A. We're working this section between Jennings Creek and Bearwallow Gap. Actually hiking northbound right now from Bearwallow Gap up to Jennings Creek. Stayed the night at Cove Mountain Shelter. This is not the Cove Mountain Shelter up in PA. This is the one in Virginia. Nowhere near as nice. It's a dry shelter, no water. And it's only about 3.5 miles from either side, so it's not a bad water carry. I really like this section of trail in the fall. The views are good out both sides, actually. You get great views of the hills and mountains. And also, last night, spectacular sunset. Just through the trees, a little hard to get. And then sunrise in the morning, sitting in my sleeping bag, all bundled up, was really nice. Got down to about 24 degrees last night. And had the water bottle sitting next to me. They just started to freeze. They weren't hard or anything. I could get water out of them. I made coffee in the morning and just sat there and watched the sunrise. Trying to get all these miles in. So I'll go down to Jennings Creek, turn around, go back to Bearwallow Gap, get the car, and I think go back down to Daleville and work north from there up to wherever that next shelter